Good morning, everybody. Last time we have to explain the ultrasonic waves and its application. So, first application detection of flaws, ultrasonic drilling and cutting, ultrasonic cleaning, ultrasonic welding, sonar, and echocardiography. Then lithotripsy, echolocation, then ultrasonography and to determine the depth of seeds. So this all application is very useful in ultrasonic waves or ultrasonic is generally used in this application. So here detection of flaws, detection of crack in job wall and bridge, etc. Ultrasonic drilling and cutting. Ultrasonic are used for making holes and cutting hard materials such as glass, diamond, etc. Ultrasonic cleaning, ultrasonic power, remove oil, grease, and so on. Then lithotripsy. Lithotripsy is used to break the stones in kidney. Lithotripsy is used to break the stones in kidney. Then echolocation. Echolocation is used sound and echoes to determine the object in space. Determine the object in space. Then ultrasonic clearing or ultrasonic. So ultrasonic power remove oil, grease, soap, dust, etc. Then depth of sea. In this case, ultrasonic waves carry high energy and show the little deviation. Then ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is used a medical diagnostic technique. Uses image of internal body structure. Keeping your mind, this ultrasonography is very useful in our daily life for in the medical purpose. Then drilling and cutting. Ultrasonic are used for making holes and cutting hard material such as glass and diamond. Then piezoelectric effect. Student, this piezoelectric effect discovered by Curie brothers in 1880. They found piezoelectricity is a communication of electric charges in certain solid materials in response to applied mechanical stress. Piezoelectricity means electricity due to mechanical pressure. Curie brothers found that crystal quartz, Rochelle salt, tourmaline develop electric charges across their faces when mechanical purpose is applied on the crystal. It is a communication of electric charges in a certain solid materials. It means that electricity due to mechanical pressure, and this explained or discovered by Curie brothers. It is linear electrochemical interaction between the electrical and mechanical trace in crystalline materials. If crystal stretched or compressed along the mechanical axis, an electric potential is produced along the perpendicular axis. The converse as like opposite. Piezoelectric effect is used to generate ultrasound. Piezoelectric effect is a reversible process. Keeping your mind, this is very important, student. Piezoelectric effect is a reversible process. Piezoelectric effect is a reversible process. This is very important point in your view of examination. Piezoelectrics are the materials that can create electricity when subjected to a mechanical stress. Also reverse generate strain is by application of electric field. There are many materials, naturals as well as man-made, which exhibits range of piezoelectric effects, and therefore this effect is a reversible process. Some naturally piezoelectric occurring material, quartered Rochelle salt, tourmaline, topaz, berlinite, etc. Piezoelectric ceramic like lithium, niobate, gallium arsenide, zinc oxide, aluminum, nitride, lead, zirconate, titanate, etc. This is important material for use in the piezoelectric effects. Polymer field piezoelectric likes polyvinylidene fluoride. Keeping your mind, polyvinylidene chloride. Converse, as like opposite, piezoelectric effects, electric field applied on the crystal. When electric field applied on the crystal dimension changes. Keeping your mind, electric field applied on the crystal at that time to change its dimension, to change the dimension of the crystal. When alternating potential difference is applied on the crystal, then crystal sets into the elastic vibration. Keeping your mind again, the crystal set into the elastic vibration along the perpendicular axis. The direct piezoelectric effect is used to detect the ultrasound. Piezoelectric effect is used to detect the ultrasound. Man-made piezoelectric material. Here is the different type of material. Man-made piezoelectric material include barium titanate, lead zirconate, titanate. Recently, considering the environmental pollution issue, lead-free piezoelectric material are prepared which are more environmentally safe. The covers opposite piezoelectric effect is used to generate the ultrasound. This is important. Quartz crystal process, very interesting property called piezoelectric effect. The piezoelectric effect was discovered by the Curie brothers in 1880 by using the different type of material. Piezoelectric effect is a linear electrochemical interaction between the mechanical and electrical state. In some crystalline materials, the piezoelectric effect is reversible process. Piezoelectric effects is a reversible process. Piezoelectric material. Which material we have to use in the piezoelectric materials? Those materials that can create electricity. Keeping your mind, those materials that can create electricity when subjected to the mechanical stress. There are different types of material. Natural piezoelectric material, man-made piezoelectric material, piezoelectric ceramic. So in case of natural piezoelectric material, quartz, Rochelle salt, tourmaline, topaz, berylline, etc. Man-made piezoelectric material, इसमें आता है बेरियम टिटैनेट, लेड, जिरकोनेट, टिटैनेट. देन पीजोइलेक्ट्रिक सिरेमिक, इसमें आता है लिथियम, नियोबेट, गैलियम आर्सेनाइड, जिंक ऑक्साइड, एल्यूमिनियम नाइट्राइड, लेड, जिरकोनेट, टिटैनेट, etc. Then synthetic piezoelectric materials. In this case, gallium orthophosphate or gallium phosphate hydrothermal process is generally used to synthesize the crystal. Keeping your mind, hydrothermal process is generally used to synthesize the crystal. Gallium orthophosphate is a colorless trigonal crystal. Gallium orthophosphate is a colorless trigonal crystal. Silicon atoms alternately substituted with gallium and phosphorus to double the photoelectric effect. Gallium orthophosphate is contrast to quartz. Keeping your mind, gallium orthophosphate is contrast to quartz. So, student, in this point, ultrasonic waves, application of ultrasonic waves is very important. There is some properties of ultrasonic waves is important. After that, piezoelectric effects. Here is question arises. You have to given some materials and which materials are piezoelectric materials. So you have to research or you have to show or you have to find out which material are piezoelectric material. So student, today I stop here. Thank you very much.